Want to do something that really stands out this Halloween? This easy project uses machine embroidery and glow-in-the-dark thread to make a pair of store-bought gloves really show off in the dark. This accessory can be paired with any spooky costume this Halloween for that extra special flair. We've even included a free pattern for your embroidery machine so you can easily make this project at home. You can find the link to the downloadable pattern in the description box. After you have your pattern loaded on your embroidery machine, you'll next need to choose your thread. For the top thread, we'll be using this glow-in-the-dark thread called Aurora. It's 40 weight and it comes in 8 different colors, but we'll be using AR02 cream for our skeleton hands. In the bobbin, we'll be using this 80 weight polyester thread called Deco Bob. By putting this thread in the bobbin, you'll create a lightweight, freestanding lace that will be easy to move once attached to the glove. Stitch out the left hand and right hand designs on a 140mm by 140mm size hoop. Once your design is finished stitching out, remove it from the hoop and rinse away the water-soluble stabilizer with warm water, gently massaging the embroidery between your fingers to fully remove it. Lay the pieces out to dry. Once your embroidered pieces are dry, arrange them on your gloves with the Aurora thread facing up and the Deco Bob side facing down against the fabric. Pin the pieces into place and press with an iron on low heat to eliminate any curl from the lace and to avoid melting the fabric of the glove. Next, we'll need to applique the pieces down to hold them securely. We'll be using the 60 weight cotton thread called Afina, as the cotton material will help it blend into the gloves. The cotton thread has a tooth that helps prevent it from slipping while you do your applique. Knot the end of your thread and pull your needle from behind the applique to hide the knot between the applique piece and the glove. Taking small stitches, applique each piece down, making sure to stitch all the way around each piece to hold it in place. Take care not to accidentally stitch too far into the glove so that you don't stitch into the second layer of fabric, otherwise you'll stitch your glove shut. If you'd like to applique without the stress of accidentally catching the bottom fabric, you can put a pencil into the finger of each glove while you stitch. This will create a barrier between the 2 layers of fabric and eliminate any possibility of catching the bottom fabric. Once you've finished appliquing each piece down, tie off the thread. You can now take your gloves out at night or into a dark room to show off your spooky new accessory. Let us know in the comments if you're making this project for yourself or for your family, or ask us any questions you might have about this project. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and click subscribe for more great sewing tips and tutorials. We'll see you again next time.